Hello everyone, strap in as we embark on a thrilling journey across Earth, exploring the top 10 surreal destinations that look like they're straight out of a fantasy. From pink lakes to floating stone forests, these places are so unreal, you'll question what's real and what's imagined. Let's dive in. Number 10. The Wave, Arizona, USA. This stunning sandstone rock formation sits near the Arizona-Utah border and is famous for its vibrant, undulating patterns. Hiking here is special because only a few people per day are allowed, through a lottery permit system. Every step reveals a slightly different pattern, with curves that seem to ripple beneath your feet. During sunrise, the rocks glow orange and pink, creating a natural masterpiece that photographers dream of capturing. Fun fact: the Wave is made of Navajo sandstone, shaped over millions of years by wind and water. You might feel like you've stepped into a surreal painting. Number 9. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The world's largest salt flat stretches over 10,500 square kilometers. After rain, it becomes a giant mirror, reflecting the sky perfectly. Photographers from around the globe visit to capture optical illusions where sky and earth merge completely. Walking here is like stepping into another dimension. Fun fact: Salar de Uyuni contains enough lithium to power millions of electric cars. Sunsets and sunrises cast pink and golden hues across the flats, making it truly unforgettable. Number 8. Antelope Canyon, Arizona, USA. This slot canyon was carved by flash floods over centuries, forming smooth, flowing sandstone walls. Sunlight beams stream through narrow cracks above, creating glowing columns of orange and gold. It's often called a natural cathedral of light and rock. Photographers and travelers say it feels like stepping inside another world. Wait until you see the mysterious creatures and patterns hidden in its walls. Each visit is unique, depending on the angle of sunlight. Number 7. Mount Rorima, Venezuela. A flat-top mountain rising above the Amazon rainforest said to inspire the lost world. Its cliffs are nearly vertical, often shrouded in mist, giving it a mystical vibe. Unique plants and animals are found only on this plateau, making it a haven for rare species. Hiking here feels like stepping back millions of years in time. Fun fact: the plateau is considered sacred by local indigenous tribes. Imagine exploring a place so isolated that it feels entirely untouched by humans. Number 6. Pamukali, Turkey. Known as the Cotton Castle, Pamukali is famous for white terraces of mineral-rich thermal waters cascading down cliffs. These terraces have been enjoyed since Roman times for their healing properties. Walking on them feels magical, like stepping into a frozen waterfall. Fun fact: the waters maintain a constant warm temperature even in winter, perfect for bathing year-round. You'll want to capture every step. It's that beautiful. Number 5. Cappadocia, Turkey. This region is famous for its fairy chimneys, tall conical rock formations shaped by volcanic activity and erosion. Many of the caves were once homes, churches, and underground cities. Hot air balloons rise over the valleys at sunrise, creating a spectacular, almost magical scene. Fun fact: Cappadocia has been inhabited for over 4,000 years, giving it rich history combined with surreal landscapes. Walking here feels like stepping into a fantasy film set. Number 4. Lake Hillier, Australia. A bubblegum pink lake on Middle Island, colored by algae and high salt content surrounded by lush green forest and the deep blue ocean. It's a stunning contrast that looks unreal. From above, it looks like someone spilled pink paint across the landscape. Fun fact: the pink color is completely natural and remains even when the water is taken in a container. This is one of the most photographed lakes in the world. You'll be amazed when you see it. Number 3. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. About 40,000 interlocking basalt columns formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Legend says giants built it to walk to Scotland. Walking across the columns feels like stepping into a mythical world. Fun fact: the basalt columns form perfect hexagonal shapes, creating a natural wonder almost too precise to be real. Try counting the columns, it's almost impossible. Number 2. Wuling Yuan Scenic Area, China. Hundreds of towering sandstone pillars rise through the mist, forming a stone forest. This UNESCO World Heritage Site inspired the floating mountains in Avatar hiking. Here feels like walking among nature's skyscrapers. Fun fact, many of the pillars reach over 200 meters tall and are covered in lush vegetation. The fog adds a mysterious, ethereal vibe, almost like a dream. Number 1. The Blue Hole. Belize, a massive marine sinkhole, nearly perfectly round and surrounded by coral reefs. It's an iconic spot for scuba diving, with crystal-clear waters revealing underwater caves. Descending into the Blue Hole feels like entering an underwater fantasy world. Fun fact, the sinkhole is over 300 meters wide and 125 meters deep. Divers call it one of the most breathtaking experiences on Earth. And there you have it, 10 surreal destinations that make you question reality itself. Which one would you add to your bucket list first? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another oddly interesting fact. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of our amazing planet.